Hello! Welcome my dear kids to DP Kids YouTube channel. Today also you can create a beautiful origami creation. Actually origami is not just making different shapes, different creations with a piece of paper. I hope you can understand by our previous episodes that we can make various creations by making small differences in our crafts. If you have an idea to enter the origami art field, you can improve your creativity with these crafts you do. And also, origami is just mathematics. This is how we use mathematics as an art. And if you watch closer, you will understand by a square sheet, you can make little squares, rectangles, triangles, and also sometimes circles. Many geometrical shapes we can make to create our origami creations. So I invite all of you to do these origami crafts because you have enough time, you have free time, and your parents are at home. So you can ask them to help you. You can ask them to get some papers for you. Actually, no need to waste money for expensive sheets. You can have some waste papers, maybe the papers you got with your gift. So just you have to cut them and get ready with the beautiful color sheets to make your origami crafts. And as I told you, in origami, you don't need many tools, strings or scissors or anything like that. So you can ask your parents to help you with something like that, because only papers, we need only papers to make origami. So at least a newspaper, anything you have, you can use it for your origami creation. So today we are going to make a beautiful rabbit. Not only this rabbit, to make many beautiful origami crafts, you have to stay tuned with our DP Kids YouTube channel. You can subscribe us, you can like us, so you can get an idea about the new creations we do in our YouTube channel. Also, you have to send your ideas, right? Then we can make changes in our future episodes. Okay, now we are going to make this beautiful rabbit. Look at this. It's really cute and have many designs and patterns on the body. Let's see how to make this rabbit. Today I am going to teach you some simple methods of making an origami rabbit. Okay, now I have chosen a two-toned paper because I want to have a different color in the ears. So this is a dotted paper which I am going to use for the body, and the other side I have a yellow color blank side. Now I am going to fold it like this as usual, right? Pressing the edge, again unfold. Now carefully watch I am doing. I am going to fold this. Right, actually you know this because most of the time we do this folding method. Now this side we have the tail, and the left side we have the ears, middles we have the body. Okay, I'm going to fold this corner inwards. Then we know the rabbit has a small tail. Again I'm going to fold it. This is the tail, and we turn to the other side. Now what we should do is we are going to fold this inward, the entire thing. We have to unfold and turn to the dotted side, and this corner we have to turn to get the ears, but don't fold towards the corner because then you will get longer ears, more longer ears. So just fold it like this as I do, then fold it like this Oh, what happened to the ears? Yes, it is. It's here. It's here. We have to pull it off. Right. Now we got the rabbit. Oh, we can't see 2 ears here. Now what we should do is we have to use a scissor and cut this triangle for 2 pieces into 2 pieces. Right. Be careful. Okay. Now you can unfold these 2 pockets. Right here. You got beautiful pair of ears. If you want to paste eyes, here I have eyes to paste on the face. Right. Now look at this. Here I have a rabbit family with me. Mother and 2 rabbit kids. Here we have rabbit father. Now we are going to paste rabbit father on our paper. Just apply some gum. First fix the rabbit. Then apply some glue and paste on your paper. Now see, I have pasted some bushes to make it beautiful, and if you want you can make some trees or something like that to decorate the background. See how beautiful it is. Here, this is a rabbit family. My dear kids, you also can make this beautiful rabbit family at home. Now, if we can use a beautiful designed patterned paper, you can make small rabbits and use it for a greeting card or something like that as well. For a bookmark or maybe for a decoration. So my dear kids, in case if you forget the folding methods or the methods we have done, so you can watch this channel again and again to practice and improve your origami skills. And also you can like us, subscribe us and comment us and give your suggestions for what you want to see in the future. Okay, then be prepared with beautiful papers to make beautiful creations in the future. Stay safe.